Hello, YouTube family. This is Al. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my formulas for qualifying for high credit card limits. Now, the saying goes that cash is king and credit is power. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can qualify for high credit card limits using my formulas. So you know how we do. Let's share the screen and let's go. So again, this video is on how to qualify for high credit card limits. Let's take a look at the formulas. So you see these abbreviations and you say, Al, what are these abbreviations? So let's go over the first one. It says PCS plus D plus I minus D equals BI/BP. What does that mean, Al? So that means your personal credit score plus your debt plus your income minus your debt equals your borrowing income or borrowing power. So you must have good personal credit, little or no debt, and good income. If you have those three things in place, you can qualify for high personal credit card limits. If you have a lot of debt, that's going to be subtracted from your income, and that's going to hurt you in qualifying for high credit card limits. So again, the formula for personal credit is PCS plus D plus I minus D equals BI/BP. So let's take a look at the next formula. We have BCS plus I plus YIB equals BP plus or minus PCS PG. What does that mean? That means your business credit score plus your business income plus your years in business equals your borrowing power, plus or minus personal guarantee. Now we're going to talk about the personal guarantee, but first you must have good business credit, good business income, a seasoned business, meaning your years in business. If you have those three things in place, you can qualify for high business credit card limits. Now, some business products require a personal guarantee. That's where I say you need to have good business credit and personal credit, because some business products require that you personal guarantee the product before you can qualify for it. So again, these are my two formulas for achieving high credit card limits, both personal and business. Again, this is Al. I hope this information helps someone. Again, we have two formulas here. The first one is your personal credit score plus your debt plus your income minus your debt equals your borrowing income. And then we have your business credit plus your income plus your years in business equals your business borrowing power. So again, I hope this information helps someone. Again, this is Al. Until the next video, you guys take care. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Goodbye.